This is Jerry. I take this video to introduce you some amazing and exciting fireworks effects machine. This machine is very easy to assemble and very safe. It's best choice for your wedding and proposal. Best choice for your best moments. This is a cold fireworks firing machine. The diameter is 4 meters and you can ignite 16 fireworks together at the same time. I want to show you some clever design of our machine. Why you choose Nuoparty fireworks? So let's go. This is the main part of the machine, igniting machine, and I will show you some clever design of our machine. You can see this is the power line interface, and here another side, this is the battery connector interface. So you have two choices for the power. Second, you can see this is an inspection light. When the fireworks connect well, this will shining. But if the fireworks do not connect well, this light will not shine. Third, I will show you this part. The match code part. This match code part for the remote controller. I send you one remote controller. Once, if you cannot find it, you lose it, I can send you a new. You can match code by yourself in your time. This is a small supporter to hold the fireworks. You will see we have a special design to have an angle not just 90 degree, but 105 degree. This is an angle to the audience side, towards the audience side. So the fireworks effect machine will be very spectacular. Introduce Somali. We are waiting to igniting all the fireworks. And let's go. My name is Jerry. Find me on www.nuoparty.com and tell me you see my videos. There is a 10 USD compass as a small gift for you.